Hey everyone, in order to do this assignment, you're going to click on the link for your Go Formative, and then you'll get to this spot. You're going to click on the Edit Drawing section down on the bottom, and that's where you'll show your work. So in order to do these problems, we have to graph our point and then use our slope to graph another point and connect those 2 points with a line, and then cap those points off with arrows. The point that we're graphing here then is 3, 4. So I'm going to go over to my tools section and get my circle, and I'm going to graph the point 3, 4. So that means over 3 and then up 4, and I'm going to put a dot right at 3, 4. Then after I've got my dot at 3, 4 and my graphed point at 3, 4, I'm going to use my slope to graph another point. Remember, the slope is the rise over the run. So that means we would start from this graphed point 3, 4 and go up 1 for my rise and then over 2 for my run, graph another point there. Next I'll go back over to my tools here and I'll grab my line tool. I want a straight line, and I am going to draw this line right through those 2 points that I graphed as best I can. So there's my line. And then last I'm going to go over and get my scribble tool here. I want my line tool, but I want to do a scribble lines, and I'm going to do the best I can to cap these off with arrows. It's not going to look perfect, but you get the idea. Alright, so that's the whole idea here. You take the point, you graph the point, you use your slope to graph another point, and then connect those two with a line with 2 arrows on each end.